in action. We're back in the action, boys. Yo, it's been a freaking month, man. This is the longest I've ever gone from YouTube. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. I'm really like, I'm a little scared how many people are gonna watch after a month of being gone. Y'all know the blacklisting from YouTube. It happened before I was gone. So like me being gone right now, we might all be or just me. Anyway, thumbs up, comment down below. Glad to be back, boys. I've been working on some crazy things. I told myself at the age of like 16 I'll be a multi-millionaire by the time I turn 30. Still got some years before that, but you know, I've been building some things, you know what I mean? That's like, I don't get any sleep anymore. So that's what's been going on. Long story short, boys, thumbs up, comment down below if you're happy that I'm back. You know, I do gotta pick one little bone with you guys, a little beef if you will. Short-ribbed, that might be pork. I don't even know. You know, there was some people, hey Brad, where'd you go? Are you okay, bro? But there was more people being like, hey man, you finally died. Good job, we're happy. So, love down below would be dope, and maybe I'll make more videos. Thumbs up, comment! Ended on a weird note, that last clip. I don't really feel like retaking it, so APPORO brand, boys, 6th year. My first video coming back in a while. They hit me up saying, hey, it's our 6th year anniversary. Do you want to like show off some jewelry? I was like, dude, I've been like buying your stuff for a long time. If you're gonna send it for free, it's a no-brainer, obviously. So I got really excited about that. Picked up some really good pieces that I might have broken. One or two might be glass, you know what I mean? I'm just kidding. It's definitely not glass jewelry, boys. It's like the real deal, you know what I mean? They got a gun to my head right now over here. I don't know if I can say that on a sponsorship, but we don't care. APPORO 6, Mr. and Mrs. APPORO event is happening right now. So if you guys have ever had APPORO jewelry, just make sure to post on Instagram, like a video of you wearing their jewelry and stuff. Maybe make it fun. And you know, if you win, you're gonna get a big award. You know what I mean? That sounds really cool to me. Mr. and Mrs. APPORO event, boys. And hashtag, I have these written down. My bad, I'm professional. APPORO, I'm sorry. Hashtag APPORO. I'm gonna have the hashtags down below. And hashtag APPORO brand. And then I'll also have the @ down below. So do that, boys. Let's get into the jewelry. You know, that's a fun part. Also, 20% off discount if you use brand 20. That'll also be down below if you forget with the links. APPORO, thank you for bringing me back. It's still long intros, my bad. I like to talk. I haven't talked to you guys in forever. Now I'm gonna make a video tomorrow talking to you guys. Hanging out. Chilling out a little bit, you know? This was a hassle to get, boys. Nothing on APPORO, but apparently after the COVID, you gotta go pick things up or pay online beforehand. I wasn't about to do that, so, you know, I had to drive across town, I think, quite early in the morning to grab this thing, so I'm pretty stoked. I'm just making sure we got the right box here, bro. Okay, we're good, APPORO, okay. First off, this is crazy. I hope you guys know I love you so much. APPORO, we got the bag right here. APPORO, I love you. I really appreciate you sending stuff to the video. We generally say, F the bag, what am I gonna do with it? You know what I mean? No specialties for you for sending this for free. Boys, here we go right here. And this should be, okay, APPORO. We gotta look at the packaging. This is what good YouTubers do with the packaging. I've always loved their boxes, actually. The branding, beautiful. You dig it. You don't really care that much, though. You know? We're gonna be real. Although I would be kind of pissed off if it came to a cardboard. I care a little bit, you know what I mean? Let's see what we got. So I was really excited for this video. Okay, let's go. Dude, I miss YouTube. I was very excited for this video. They gave me a little options of what to choose, and I chose some things that we have never actually really unboxed on the channel before. Something new, something a little different, something that might look like it would cost $20 million in person or something. What's Lil Uzi Vert? What did he have attached to his head? It was a pink diamond, but I think it was like 17 million at the time or something like that. They were saying they had some pink diamond stuff on their website. I actually checked out their whole website and it all looked dope, but I loved the pink diamond stuff, bro. Something totally out of my element. It's right here. You see the sparkles. Now, I think I've given, you know, I'm quite honest, so maybe there's been one or two things I haven't dug from APPORO before. I'm guessing, I don't know, but probably, maybe not. I picked saying yes to them for my video back, honestly, because I've always loved their quality, as far as I can remember. I'm sure there's some little nitpicks that we're gonna find in this one. But boys, right here, this is a pendant with a pink diamond that reminded me of Lil Uzi Vert's. And I just thought it was dope. I was like, I don't know if this, like, it could be girls or guys, and I'm pretty stoked to wear it. You know what I mean? Like, I think that piece right here, I don't know, man. There's a way that you can do it. It came with a chain right here as well. This looks like a little rope chain. We'll get into that. But the pink diamond, that just looks so sick to me, bro. I don't know what it was. Oh, frick. I didn't even notice that. We got one up here, too. Yo, hey, man, that's the size of my girl's engagement ring right there without the diamonds on the side. Nah, her a little bigger. Hers might be a little bigger, I ain't gonna lie, bro. There we go. You can even see the sparkling. This is horrible light for sparkles, but this thing is absolutely clutch, bro. The setting, what you guys like to know, the setting's dope. It's not hollow back like all that other crap with the APPORO branding. And then, fuck! Oh, we're good, dude. I just broke my floor a little bit. I didn't break this. Something chipped. I thought I broke the chain, and I'd have to tell you about it, and we'd have an interesting little talk with APPORO after that. I guarantee you. Anyway, no, beautiful people. Pink gemstone right there. I'm actually gonna throw this on. We got some more things too here, boys. So this chain right here, I think we're probably gonna switch it up, although it is very nice. I think this would go better. Yo, that's wild. I don't really know how to work this. That's a different clasp than I'm used to, though. Oh, cool! You don't even have to undo the thing unless you want to. I might have to. My brain's a little big. It won't fit around my head. But that actually just slides down. That's crazy. I've never seen something like that. So you put it on, then you tighten it that way. Cool. Yeah, I'm gonna throw this on real quick. Hold on. Alright, boys, here's how she looks on right here. Now, this is a little bit bigger. I don't know what the thing is right here. I do this for a living, and I don't even know. That thing right there, I think I put a little bit of a bigger chain in it, for sure. This is cool how it tightens, though. You see, you know, that might be the girl way, or the way you like to rock it. I might just do it this way. Next up, boys, this ring right here, it's been tickling my fancy. I don't like that word at all. I hate how I just said that. Now, they gave me options of what I could pick up. This was just stuff where I was like, I really want to try it. You know what I mean? Something a little different. This pink diamond just looks so dope. However, like, this might be the most expensive fake jewelry ever, but not on their website, but just like ever like crafted, like most expensive jewelry that would be expensive made into not fake, but not a real pink diamond. I'ma chill there. Boys, we got the ring as well. The ring as well. She fits freaking beautifully. So, oh my god. Dude, I'm wearing this out tonight for sure. I don't give an F, dude. Boys, just another pink diamond right there. We got the wrapping around. Right here we got the diamonds. It just sparkles mad nice. You know, one thing I really like, these aren't glued in, boys. These are actually hand set. Really, really, really nice gems right here. Just beautiful. I dig that a lot. This is, I think, my main thing so far, but awesome ring. APPORO, once again, link down below. Discount code discount code BRAN20. You know, you can get 20% off because I'm the man. And last up, boys, from APPORO. Happy birthday, by the way, guys. Also, make sure on your social medias, put up your APPORO videos of you rocking their gear. And hopefully you get that little prize that they got for you guys, man. Or big prize. The last one, I actually am going to wear these for sure, is the pink diamonds on an earring. I've had these for too long, bro. I feel like everyone's just got these regular diamond earrings. This one just seems super cool. If you guys like, I don't usually do earring unboxings because not everyone wears earrings, same as I don't usually do hat unboxings because not everyone, you know, wears hats. But this right here, I had to grab from them, bro. It's just really cool. Beautifully done. Absolutely beautifully done. We even got APPORO on there. And this is 925 silver as well, which is good because I can't do the fake stuff in my ears. I get infected and stuff like that. So, absolutely beautiful stuff. APPORO, happy effing birthday. And, you know, now I'm gonna, if I ever take this off, I can put it back in the cold box with the silica gel. You know what I mean? Don't eat it, kids. Damn, that was awesome. It's great to be back, boys. I hope to be filming a lot more. I just, I got a lot going on, man. I'm trying to build some stuff right now. And, take my life to the next level. Although I can never forget about you guys. I did for a while, I'm not gonna lie, and I'm back now, and it just feels so great, like, talking to you guys, because y'all are really family, and everyone will say that, but, I don't BS like that. I'm quite real talk, and I wouldn't say that if I didn't mean it. Dude, I'm getting choked up thinking about talking to you guys right now, man. It's just, like, how long I've left this, you know? 30 days, that's unreal, that's absurd. I'm stoked about these pieces. APPORO, thank you for being the first video back. Gotta rethink some things, man. I gotta leave some time for YouTube because I love this stuff. I love entertaining. Hopefully this was somewhat entertaining. APPORO brand, go check them out. And I don't know, what am I gonna do? I'm gonna probably cook some pulled pork or something like that. Now I got pork in my head. I'd like to pork something maybe. Maybe I'll just pork something. Should probably chill on that. Peace, boys. See you later. Alligator. You didn't, bro.